Morning, folks. Thanks for joining me. This is Solomon the Spicy Traveler, or good afternoon or good evening, wherever you are. I just hope you're having a great day. This video is part of 2 of my journey to Belize, San Pedro Islands. Part 1 I already shared with you, the trip to Ambergris Caye and my experiences there. So this second part is about Ambergris Caulker, which is about 30 minutes up the stream. And I took a boat up here. I just landed and gonna find my way through here. Never been here before, and hope I'm gonna get some fun time and experiences here. Please join, subscribe, and share. Okay, folks, so I just went from San Pedro to Caye Caulker, which is about 30 minutes boat ride. That's the only way to get here, and kind of got dark pretty quickly, so it's around 8 o'clock here. Tomorrow I'll get a better shot for outside. But this is probably one of the best places I ever stayed in the world. And a complete house to yourself. I mean, I did mess it up with my electronic gadgets and things, which I had to set up really fast right away. I mean, the floors, everything is just phenomenal. You got a full kitchen with everything. As you can start to see, I caught some fish, so preparing that. Crab, which is already cleaned at San Pedro. Have it here. Complete setup. Televisions, and something I haven't seen in many years. A whole collection of CDs and books. And this is the living room. You have the kitchen, dining area. The ceiling. There's a second floor to it. So I got a 3-bedroom, which I'm only using 1 bedroom because I got a good deal. Okay, we got a stingray here because they're, where do you go? Right there. He seems like a little puppy, like somebody's dog. So he's not afraid of anybody because they're throwing out fish pieces. So he's eating all those. Do you have a name for him? No? Man, he scared me at first. Woohoo! My amigos here got some crabs. What do you call these crabs?
Channel crabs.
Channel crabs.
Yeah.
Large red ones. They look so good and delicious. You got a red snapper here.
Schoolmaster snapper, yeah.
Yep, schoolmaster snapper.
Yeah,
then you got a small grouper there. Oh, what are those?
Mackerel.
I want him too. Mackerel.
You can steak so. Then we got some steak fish, but we're ready to fillet them.
What are those?
Snapper fillet.
Oh, snapper fillet, grouper fillet. Yep. All right, buddy. They'll look good. So they clean them up for me. We're gonna cook them up in the next couple of days.
That's the way.
Yep. So my amigos here are cleaning up the crabs. Also, that's the Spanish mackerel. It's a big one. Very healthy. Good omega-3 fatty acids. Just like a salmon. He just got a big egg. Salmon roe, like you can see right there. And that's delicious. And the ice cream guy just passing by, so you could hear from his bell. Where is he? There he is. Okay, I'm on the Belize Caribbean island, Caye Caulker, and as you could see, the beach is right there. Today I'm gonna have some barbecue, which is here run by Otis here and his son. I mean, it looks so delicious. Look at that. Look how thick that pork chops are. Sheesh. I'm gonna get me one of those. I'm gonna get a piece of chicken, and you know what? I'm gonna stick to the sausage. So I think that's a good choices. Okay, here it is. I'm waiting for my food. And as you could see, lots of street vendors. It's about noon Saturday. Because of COVID, I was told the number of visitors to this island have diminished almost by 75%. So here we have coconut curry, and lobster curries, and then grilled lobsters, fish, and other things. A lot of street vendors. You can see people relaxing on the road on their carts, waiting for their food. Okay, folks, here at Caye in Belize. I just started fishing 5 minutes ago. I used sardines as a bait. I got this little fellow just hooked. I'm gonna bring him back up. It's about 10 inches long, so he's a keeper. I think he's a snapper variety based on his tail. I think they have a special name for this guy. So I'm gonna keep him. Dinner for tonight.